Text, Bible videos. Title, Jesus cleanses the temple. The temple courtyard bustles with business activity. A woman puts coins into a man's hand. A scale sits on a table beside coins and various weights. A man shops. A black and white bird hangs in a cage, with many other birds in cages hanging in the distance. A goat is kept in a wooden pen. Suddenly, people begin running through the area, knocking over tables and booths. Merchants and buyers scatter frantically, unsure what is happening.
Take these things hence!
Jesus stalks through the temple grounds. He pushes over vendor tables, smashing their items to the ground. Merchants and priests rush away. A loose flock of white goats runs through the scene.
Make not my father's house an house of merchandise!
He steps forward, defiant, as people run away. The screen fades to black.